Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Let's continue our topic on numbers and decimals. So in the previous lecture we have talked about numbers and the type of numbers. We have spoken about decimals. Now we will understand how do we count and say the place value of a digit. So let's say you have a 4-digit number 4378, right? And you want to mention the place value of each of the numbers, each of these digits. So when you say 4-digit number, these are all called digits. And when you count, this is called ones, this position, right? So I'm talking about these positions, right? So these positions, this is called ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So when you say a 4-digit number, when you explain this in words, it is 4,378, right? So that is how you mention the place value of a number. Let's say you have a decimal after it. So after this you have 67, right? So you cannot call it 67, it is called 67. So when you tell the complete number, it is 4,378 decimal 67. And now the place value of numbers after the decimal are tenths, hundredths, right? So it is on the left hand side of the decimal, it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and on the other side it doesn't start with one, it starts with tenth. So tenths, hundreds, thousands, like that, right? So this is how you mention the place value. Now let's say you want to mention this number. The decimal number is also denoted in a fraction. So let's say you have 1.67, right? If you want to denote this number in fraction, you know the 6 is 6th, 10th and 100th, right? So this is like 6 by 10, this is by 7 by 100, and if you want to denote it fully, it is 67 by 100. So if you want to denote it as a mixed fraction, it is 1.67, 1 decimal 67, which is 1 decimal 6th, 10th and 700, which is 167 by 100. This is how you can denote a mixed fraction into a decimal. All right. Thank you.